MuninMX supports basic service checks, such as TCP, UDP, and HTTP or HTTPS. To add a new service check, navigate to Your Service Checks and click the New Service Check button. Then enter a descriptive name of your check, the interval to run this check, and other details. Check tags can be used to identify your check later. This is useful if you have plenty of service checks. Some check types have a lot of optional settings. The HTTP check as example. You can set authorization parameters, custom timeouts, search for response strings, and much more. You can always use the Test Check button to verify if your parameters work before saving the service check. If you want to receive notifications, add one of your contacts and specify notification parameters. It will take a while until the first results are visible on the check detail page. Downtimes are plotted as plot bands, similar to the MuninMX Events API. In addition, MuninMX will graph performance data for each service check. If you zoom within the result window, the data table will update its range to your selected time span. Some service checks support debug informations. If a check is in a critical state, you can see debug output, curl response headers for HTTP checks, and MTR trace for the ping check. If you want to run your own analysis, you can export metric data in the JSON format and also import it to a MongoDB or TokuMX server. Service checks can be paused in the overview table. For service checks, MuninMX uses the same contacts which you can assign to metric alerts.